So my husband and I went to Walmart, so I'm gonna show you guys what I've got. A new bird feeder and squirrel proof design. And I'm going to put the bird's food here. I got bird's food for chickadees and something like so on. So I'm gonna put bird's food. It's $30. My gosh. Bisyo. Ang bisyo ko na mahal. Hindi siya mapatong ng bird. Sunflower seeds. Marami ng food. For 1 month,